Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump in this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market today in crypto. Real quick, before we jump into this Bitcoin chart, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 4 days. In 4 days, you can win $500 in Bitcoin. To enter, what you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to pick a random comment. I'm going to look at the videos from 7-day period, pick a random comment, $500. Remember, $500 in Bitcoin is going to 10x over time. It's $5,000 potentially. Bitcoin had a pullback. We said 68% chance of a break to the downside. It happened. There's some news ideas that everybody thinks is the cause of this. However, I mean, you had a bearish pattern, rising wedge. Right, these are supposed to break lower. Now the price action broke to the downside, and I said, hey, watch for this possible bearish retest. Right now, you can see the price action is driving back up into the pattern. You know, a break back up into the pattern would invalidate this idea, and this would be a bear trap again. So all eyes are on Bitcoin right now. You notice that the market recovered real quick. A lot of the altcoins. I went a lot to Bitcoin yesterday, and some USDT, took profits from my altcoins, which I talked about in my trading group, and I was looking for a move. I didn't know, if it was going to break out to the upside or downside yesterday. Looking for a move out of Bitcoin. Got the move. It wasn't favorable for the bulls, but again, the crypto markets bounced back. The buyers came out. Bulls showed up here. So the FUD news that was blamed on causing the market pullback was this story that came out. The U.S. government won't allow corporations to keep replacing dollars with Bitcoin, warns investment advisor. So underlined here, the U.S. government's not going to allow corporations like Elon Musk's Tesla to replace dollars with Bitcoin. They won't let the dollar fall away from being the reserve currency in the world. So people are saying, hey, this came out and there's a bunch of FUD in the market. You can see the bulls showing up here trying to push the price back into the pattern. FUD. Always buy the dips that make you sick in this market. You've got to trade without emotion. Trade like a bot, right? Buy fear, sell greed. This is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So this channel is essentially valid at this point. You've got, the price action's been in this channel for a considerable amount of time. If Bitcoin breaks to the upside of this channel, we'll go from $50,000 to $667,000 Bitcoin. Huge. Now, question is, if we don't break out of this channel, will we just range here? Will we range here? Will people get buying opportunities for Bitcoin that they've been hoping for? I've got some amazing shout outs to give my trading group. This person stated, I turned $1,200 into $18,000. I still can't believe this market. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. This person stated, I came back to the market in February. I just trading the charts you posted on YouTube, and I've doubled my money in about 9 days. Huge. You guys, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep you guys updated throughout the bull market with some amazing altcoin setups. This person made it to $100,000. This is huge. 6-figure portfolio. He's in the trading group. He's super happy. He said, thank you. I'm only Wait for it. I'm only 21. Huge. Are you serious? Listen, I'm trying to think what I was doing when I was 21. Going to college, I was tricked into thinking that I have to work for the man my entire life. Listen, if you guys are ready for life-changing money, if you guys are ready to do something different, if you're tired of a day job, if you're tired of working, this market provides the financial revolution that we need to change everything. This is the biggest financial opportunity that we have in front of us right here, right now. I can show you guys how this market really works. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable setups for the entire bull market. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So to my website, cryptorev.net. Boom. This is Cover. Remember this? So previously Cover, suppose there was this exploit and Cover was hacked, and Cover's like this insurance program or insurance project for DeFi, and then it got hacked or exploited. And then you got this huge pullback. Remember this down here? Then what happened? Huge. You got this rounded bottom. Rounded bottoms pay the bills, baby. Rounded bottoms pay the bills. Anyways, posted a setup, buy the breakout from this level, 97% profits. Huge. This is Hive. I said, hey, this can pop like Data did. I posted this in the group yesterday. Hive, targets, buy the breakout. This person said, I got 43% off of Hive. This is my first alt BTC paired trade. I'm smiling. Thanks, Chris. Keep them coming. It's cool to see people come in the group and they've never traded before and they start making a ton of money and they just don't even know how to do it, how to deal with it. It's pretty crazy. Anyways, the point is Hive popped like Data did. 70% profits. Boom, quickly. This is a list of exchanges and it shows the number of visits in January. And you can see Binance is at the top. Listen, if you're not using Binance International right now with all the small coins that are making all the profits right now, make a Binance International account. The link in the description supports the channel. If you're in the United States, use PureVPN. It's easy. Use PureVPN. Links in the description. Binance has a ton of volume, by far the most volume, and by far the most visits. Coinbase, Kraken, Indodax, Upbit, BitThumb after that. Huge. Whale alert. $400 million USDT minted. Just keep printing that money. 1.6% of the entire supply of Tether printed out of thin air. I mean, this is supposed to be backed by a dollar. People, essentially corporations onboard their fiat, put it in USDT to pump this market. People in my trading group are talking about this. Yo, Chris, I got $3,600 from 1inch and I don't even use it. They're giving 1inch away to people that use Uniswap. And so make sure to kind of follow up with this idea. Binance has a tweet about it. Now, it says here, airdrop conditions, and it gives you a list. You got to have one trade, and this is on 1inch. We wanted one trade before September 15th. This was previous, right? Maybe you'll be able to claim those too. Then there's a second airdrop that just happened. If you had 20 unique trading days and 3 trades made in 2021, as far as 1inch goes. But right here it says that the February airdrop distributed 6 million 1inch tokens to some Uniswap traders. So make sure and check into this. If you've been using Uniswap, you might have $3,600 worth of 1inch tokens. These are Bitcoin treasuries, MicroStrategy, Galaxy Digital, Marathon Patent Group, Square, Hut Mining Corporation, Voyager Digital, Riot Blockchain. Publicly traded companies and fund managers now hold around $60 billion worth of Bitcoin. This is roughly 6% of the circulating supply. This, again, is the game changer. You've got all these publicly traded companies over time that will jump onto this bandwagon, and they will want to hold Bitcoin on their balance sheet. And imagine what that's going to do to the price of Bitcoin. I mean, we're going to see an astronomical price run up over the next year and a half for Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin dominance, just to talk about this. So Bitcoin dominance broke out of this falling wedge, right? Essentially ran up here to this resistance, got rejected, and you can see has been trending lower. Remember, if this continues higher, altcoins bleed, but after this trend change, you have to wonder, is this the insane altcoin season? Will it continue is the question. These altcoins have been doing amazing. Or will this change directions and potentially bounce at this support level over here. You see this support? There's going to be some support right here. So let's watch how that reacts, that price action reacts. Yesterday we talked about Ethereum. We're a little bit worried about it. We talked about how it broke this trend line. You know, potentially you could see some downside. I didn't know it was going to play out like this. Like, obviously Bitcoin pulled back and you get this huge dump out of Ethereum, and then it bounced right back. I mean, 15,000 people saw this idea. It would have been amazing to pick up some Ethereum down here at 1650. Now you can see that Ethereum is trying to, so I had this previous trend line drawn, and you can see that Ethereum broke to the downside here, right? And then it broke, and then it retested. That's a bearish retest, right? So you're looking for downside on that level. Now you got some volume coming in, and it's breaking above. Look, resistance, resistance, resistance. It's breaking above that level. So what I did was I drew this trend line. And so, I mean, this is going to be very telling for Ethereum if the Ethereum bulls are able to show up. And this candle hasn't closed yet. You got about 14 minutes, but, breaking above potentially this price point right here would be a bullish sign for Ethereum. Can the bulls hold this level? Can the bulls hold this level? Look at EGLD. So I talked to you about some coins that would help you make your losses back real quick, and then Bitcoin pulls back even more. EGLD wicked down to $66. Stop losses can cause this chain reaction of sell orders that can cause this. And I talked to you guys quite a few times about how the fact I'm not using stop losses right now. What I do is I set alerts. So I could come in here if I'm looking at a specific level. You right click, you add alert, and then boom, this window pops up only once, and then sirens are going to go off. I'm going to get an email if the price action breaks below a level where I need to watch it, because I don't want to be caught by these stop loss hunts. This brings liquidity back in the market. It makes everybody, they're buyers again because of this pullback. Right? Huge. Everybody would have got stopped out here. Everybody would have got stopped out for a loss, and then boom, the price action is taken off again. Keep in mind that, this strategy doesn't necessarily work for everybody, but just remember, in a bullish market, all the price action is putting in higher lows. So if this is the low, and then this next low, even on a pullback, this next low is still higher than the previous low, and then this next low is still higher than the previous low. This next low is still higher than the previous low. I mean, you start to get some bigger pullbacks, but I mean, overall, this is going to be an uptrend where your lows are going to be higher than the previous low, right? So if you make a bad trade, a botched trade, something bad decision, then you're still, worst case scenario, you're still able to wait it out. So just an idea. Again, I'm going to have a strategy that works specifically for me, and you will too. This is ADA, hasn't broken out yet. Looking for a breakout of this falling wedge, potential bull flag. Okay, we may see 91 cents, 95 cents, 97, $1, $1.05, and $1.10 out of ADA. Right now, you got a bull flag on the 1 hour. So, I mean, it's gearing up for a move. Watch ADA. This is 1 inch, and I just really need to, we talked about, they've got this airdrop. They're trying to put themselves on the map. So this is a DEX aggregator. They're shopping around on the DEXs for the best prices. I think this is going to be a huge project in the future. Right now, it's only $5.50. I think after this breakout, we could see $11 1 inch. The safe buy is to buy the breakout of this level, right? Lots of upside here from 1 inch. BZRX has not broken out yet. I mean, you're going to buy the breakout of this trend line. There's your targets over here. You can pause this. I mean, we might see 76 cents, 89 cents, 97 cents, and $1 BZRX. You can see, look at this. You've got this parabolic price move to the upside, this pullback. I mean, essentially, this is going to become a possible handle, right? You got, I mean, essentially like a cup and handle, if you will, right? And then your biggest move is going to be from here higher. So watch BZRX. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.